Hey guys, good evening everyone. Are you there? Am I audible to you? Hi guys. Audio is clear for you. Come on quickly everyone. Good evening guys. Are you there? Come on. You are coming late. 4:10 only. Tomorrow onwards shop 4:10 I'll start. Good evening everyone. Come on. Last session, what we have seen, HTML5 audio and video tags we observed. Yes, HTML5 audio and video tags. Everything is fine. What about audio video tags perfectly working with you? Audio video tags are perfectly working with you? Yes. Come on, everyone. Right, the next level, HTML5 level means CSS3 level, some new properties are there we can try to observe. Whichever important for us, I'm giving. JavaScript also I'm going to start soon. Monday, Tuesday, I'll discuss CSS3, some important properties. Shall we move forward? Any question from your side or shall we move forward? Come on, any questions from your side? Right. Cascading style sheet, CSS3 properties. No clear audio. Voice is not coming. Why voice is not coming, my dears? Tell to reminding your friends. It is divided into several separate documents called write and modules. Each module adds new capabilities or extended features defined in CSS2. That means what you people need to understand. When you are comparing with the CSS2, CSS3 level new features existed. Every new feature we are calling as a module. We are calling as a module. And different modules have different stability and statuses. Now we can try to observe what are there here. Media queries. I don't know how many you guys heard about the media queries. Media queries are powerful features which are giving the simple and more effective look and feel. Okay. I said already very clearly, and media queries we are using for smartphones, for example, television's purpose, tablets purpose, or for big devices are there. So all these purpose generally media queries we are using. I'll show you some examples, try to understand. So when you are developing a website in CSS3, you can open on any device with the same quality. Bharadwaj. You can open the website with the same quality. Without any difference, you are getting the same quality. That is called CSS3 property speciality. What are the media types existed here? So media is a kind of feature here. There are different kinds of medias available: extra small, small, medium, and large. Extra small means smaller devices. Small means tablets. And third one is medium means small, that means of lappy and televisions. Large devices means big screens will come under. So what are these features actually in CSS3 level available? Observe CSS3 level features. So far we provided font face like Arial, Tahoma, Candera, Book and Tikva, like these fonts we provided. What about user defined fonts? I want to add user-defined fonts to my web page. Think once. And opacity, color shades on text and images. This is really powerful. Color shades on text and images. RGBA, red, green, blue. A is nothing but alpha or amber. So red, green, blue, alpha or amber. These are very powerful colors. I think already you understood hexadecimal color codes. Border radius is nothing but round corners. What is the meaning of round corner? How these are working out? Round corner is a mechanism which is providing through border radius. Box shadows. I think you remember or not, I shown to you already text shadows. Everybody remember? Text shadow property already shown to you. Horizontally, vertically, blur, color. Very good. Same like that box shadows available. Gradients existed. Transforms, transitions. There are the different kinds of properties available. Previously, browser support is not there. Now that every browser supporting perfectly. When you are observing CSS3 level, you properties need to understand here no scripting. CSS1, CSS2, CSS3, and scripting properties. These are less and SAS. Nowadays, in the latest web environment features are less and SAS. Linear cascading style sheets is less. Syntactically awesome style sheets is called SAS. Syntactically awesome style sheets is nothing but SAS. So understand the things. Scripting level, we can write logical things here. Less and SAS. These are scripting related, means CSS level also we can write programming. No scripting means what? CSS is general. No if condition, no for loop, no logic. Those are called no scripting. Scripting means what? CSS itself supporting for loop, if condition, logical operators, all these things. Understood? Scripting and no scripting meaning. So generally CSS no scripting, no logic, just properties available we are writing. Someone disturbing the class by opening the video. Please don't open my ideas your video. Your friends are disturbing. Right. CSS3 backgrounds. What are the background properties existed in CSS3? Right. Let me start one by one. What are the background properties? Up to your theory part is clear for you. Finally, CSS3 means advanced cascading style sheets with the powerful features. They're having several modules. Every module is behaving like a different features. And now without scripting, with scripting existed. CSS3 also with scripting, without scripting. CSS3 is with scripting, without scripting. Without scripting. Very good. Without scripting. Right. Now I'm showing examples. Definitely you people will understand. Don't worry. CSS level background properties already we did. Anybody remember CSS level background properties? CSS level background properties. Any of you guys remember? CSS level background properties. Come on, come on. Which properties? Tell me background properties in CSS2 level. Simply somebody saying, can you repeat? What I need to repeat? CSS2 level background properties I need to repeat, or today's session I need to repeat? CSS2 properties, background color, background image, background repeat, Background attachment. Come on. Background position. Background position. CSS3 contains several new background properties. CSS3 contains several new background properties. Background size specifies the size of the background images. Background origin specifies the positioning area of the background images. Background clip specifies the pointing area of the background images. Check it once again. How many properties already we did in the CSS2 level? Those properties advanced level. Now I'm showing to you background size. Background size property is giving the background size increment or decrement we can do. So for that purpose, I'm going to background properties. Peacefully check it. Style property. So style property we need to close. Inside I'm going to write. General I'm using in these situations body only. Body inside I'm going to use. What that one? Background color. Background color I'm giving, or background image. Anybody remember what is the syntax for this one? What I provided? Any flower available, img underscore. Oh, very good. Coming or not, we'll try to check it. Super. Coming. Now, background size. Background size. 100 pixels and 100 pixels. Background. What happened? Size. Now I'm giving background repeat. Background repeat. I'm giving no repeat. Okay. Background size. Background size. Yes. What background size you are giving? 300 pixels, 300 pixels. Observe you only. Observe properly background size, how it is increasing. Background property, I want to check it here. Observe here. I want to check it. Only background. Again, I'm giving 100 percentage. 100 percentage. And 100% I'm providing background URL. Repeat, no repeat only. And 100% I'm giving. Background size 100%. Observe background size 100%. Now some paragraph I'll give you perfectly work out. So paragraph level means I'll give you div. Okay, div level I'm giving some data. Come down here. Div. Hello. Welcome to CSS3 advanced properties, like that you can give. Now I'm giving some text also here. Observe now. If you are adding more text, image is auto adjusting. Observe image. Image auto adjusting. Observe. My dears. Auto. So now I'm giving here simply text align. I'm giving, for example, justify. Perfect. If you are giving more text also, you are getting same thing. Observe now. Got it? If you are giving more text, if you are giving less text, okay, how it is giving, auto adjusting. Yeah, same paragraph once again you can put what is there, and same div I want to continue. Same div we want to continue, for example. Without text, nothing visible to you. Observe. Observe. Okay, everybody, clear how image is adjusting in the background? Next one. I want multiple backgrounds, for example, multiple images. See, multiple background images. Understand, everybody? Multiple background images. CSS3 allows you to use several background images for an element. Several background images for an element. Syntax: background image, image 1, image 2, image 3. You can provide multiple images. Previously, how many images we provided? Come on, previously how many images we provided? Only one image. Multiple times it is coming. Correct. One image multiple times. Now multiple images multiple times. So if you are going there, simple, I'm using body level. Once you are entering into body, background image URL, and I'm giving nothing. I'm not giving remaining anything. And there is another maybe comma URL. Anything available here? Anything? Not sure is there or not. Not sure is there or not. Is not there. Unsure. Observe now. Multiple images multiple times. Otherwise, HTML5 will give. Image properties. At a time, you can provide any number of images. If you say background repeat, no repeat means what happened? Background repeat, no repeat means what happens? Yeah, only one time HTML5 will come, one time flower will come, two images will come. Like this, multiple images, multiple times you can able to give. 1 second. Multiple images, multiple. For example, I want comma. I'm giving URL of, you can check it now what I'm giving. I said cat.jpg, comma, URL of cat2.png. I said background, repeat, no repeat. Come on, my dear, tell me now. How many images are coming? How many images are coming according to script? 4 images, no? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 images are coming. 4 images multiple times, only one time. 4 images only one time or multiple times? Only one time. 4 images you are getting only one time. You are unable to get multiple times. Right. Now background clip is there. First of all, background image clear we are, background size we are clear, background repeat we are clear, background image multiple times also we are clear. But understand what is clip. This property specifies the painting area of the background. Very important property, my dears. Little bit different properties. Shall I move forward? Background clip. Shall I move forward? Background clip. This property specifies the painting area of the background. Border box, padding box, content box. Border box, padding box, content box. What a border box can do, what a padding box can do, what content box can do, practical I'll show you. More important, clearly you can try to observe. Here, body level I'm not using. First, I'm using div. What is the difference between div and body? What is the difference between div and body? Come on. Width 300 pixels. Height also 300 pixels. Padding I'm giving simply 50 pixels. Background color I'm giving, for example, a light blue I'm giving. Background color after background clip I'm giving. Background clip I'm giving. Okay, first background clip I'm not giving. First I want a border, 2 pixels, solid line. I want a red color border. Okay, that is okay. Observe properly. Okay. Text align also I'm giving perfect understanding, perfect justify. Any new property I wrote here? Any new property I wrote here? Width, height, padding, background color, border, text align. I think all these properties written. So come to div level. Yes, div level. Div level properties. So div level I required some text, means compulsory I'm going to take this. Div inside some text. Okay. Now you are going to run, nothing happens. Now I'm giving observe. Background clip. I'm giving content box. Only the background is coming wherever text available. Check it. Only text where available, there only background available. Check it. Wherever text available, there only background available. You can check it. Other areas, background is not there. If you are increasing the text, what happened? If you are increasing the text, what happened? If you are increasing the text, what happened? I'm giving, for example, right? Observe you only. Background perfectly. Now, content box I am removing. I'm giving, for example, content box, another property available. What that one? Go up. Go up. Content box, other property available. Padding box. Now I'm giving padding box. Observe. Except a line. Except a line. Everything will be occupied. Observe. Except a line. Everything occupied. Except a line. Everything occupied. Observe you all, everybody. Border not occupied. Border occupied or not, you want to see means you can check it here. Border occupied or not occupied? Border not occupied. Correctly check it. Border not occupied. If you want to check border also occupied, then what do you need to provide? Come on, border also occupied now. Check it correctly. Now border occupied or not, check it correctly. What happened? Border occupied perfectly. Border occupied perfectly. No need to zoom. Observe correctly. Abhishek. Zoom. Happy? Right. Content box, padding box, border box. People required perfection. Right, and next one. Background clip after. Next one, background origin. Background origin property. What is the background origin property can do? It specifies background position property should be relative, like padding, border, content, whatever the resources you are providing, either image you can provide or non-image resources you can provide, it is giving like that. So now I'm providing, for example, all the properties. Right, I'm giving. Now I'm moving forward to div level, border checking, background image. Oh, what should I say? First border I'm giving. Correctly check it what I'm modifying. Solid. background image. Background image. What they're giving. For example, I'm giving HTML5 dot doesn't require actually these are right. Background image I provided. Background repeat. Background repeat. No repeat. Background position. Background position. Left I'm giving. Now I'm giving background. What is our latest property? Background origin. Background origin. Border box. Origin border box. Now I'm giving some data. Now image touching or not, we'll try to observe. Excellent. Check it you all. Now border box. I'm giving, for example, cat.jpg. Observe correctly. Cat2.jpg. Perfect. Cat1.jpg. Border box level, how these are visible, you can check it. Okay, simple. Now border box, no padding box I'm giving, check it everybody. Difference also you need to find out. Padding box. Padding box level, what happened? Border box level, what happened? Border box level, what happened? Padding box level, what happened? Are you observing padding box level? Left side coming. Border box level, right side coming. Correctly observe the things. At the same time, border box, padding box, content box I am giving. Check it correctly. Content box. Small image when it's there is not visible to you. Remove it completely. More space occupying. Add this one. By default content box. Any changes now? By default content box. So everything coming in within the border. Everything coming within the border. You can try to increase the text. If you are increasing the text, what happened now? If you are increasing the text, what happened now? Come on, what happening? If you are increasing the text, what happening, my dears? Image also increasing, observing or not? If you are increasing, if you are removing the text, what happening? If you are removing the text, what happening? Image also decreasing. Come on, everyone. Image increasing, image decreasing, auto level, not a background level. Total text level, not only image level, only image. That is background origin meaning. CSS3 borders. Already border properties we did. You remember border properties? Already border properties we did. Anybody remember border properties? Border color, border width, border height, anyone? So now I'm giving border radius, box shadow, border image. These are very powerful resources, my dears. Who is disturbing the session, my dears? Shashank. Shashank is disturbing the session. Come on, don't disturb the session, my dears. Please try to understand these are a little bit different properties. If you are concentrating correctly, you are getting all the resources. Otherwise, problematic, confused, guarantee. Come on, read once. Read once, border properties. Border radius property, I'll show you first. Adding rounded corners in CSS2 very critical. In CSS2 level, rounded corners adding very critical. Once we entered into CSS3, rounded corners are very simple and easy. Once we entered into CSS3, rounded corners are very simple. What are the properties available? Try to understand. How many properties available? 3 properties. Read the properties once. Okay, right. Radius I'll show you first. First radius property I'll show you. Observe. Whether percentage, length, whatever you want, you can provide. Border radius property, very important. Correctly observe, everybody. Solid, I'm not changing. Images, I don't want. Please observe properly. You are seeking purpose padding. Just 10 width, height 40. Now I'm giving background also. Background color I'm giving. Okay, that is not the matter. Leave it. Width 300 pixels I'm giving. Okay, what property coming first? We'll try to check it. Now I'm giving border radius. Please observe, everybody. Corners concentrate. 5 pixels I'm giving. Corners. Any modification corners? Remove the radius. Observe corners. Add. Again, for example, 10 pixels. 10 pixels. 15 pixels. 25 pixels. 35 pixels. Understanding, everyone? Now no 35 pixels. Observe. Clear, everyone? Come on, remaining guys. Come on. You need to practice, then only you can understand. If you are not practicing, nothing you can understand. Not like that. Not like that. For example, I'm giving 50 pixels. Akhil observing 50 also working. Hundred pixels. Observe 100 pixels. Total changes, corners. Yeah, the shape you need to observe correctly. The shape is very important. Right. Duplicate it. You'll get multiple shapes. Just simply one paragraph you can add. Right. Next level we can try to observe. Border radius. Border image. Box shadow I'll show you. What is box shadow? Horizontal shadow, vertical shadow, blur color. I'll show you one by one, Bhardwaj. Examples already, many examples are there. I think these are enough for you. In today's session, in regular tutorial, more examples available in today's session. Okay. Regular tutorial contains all these examples. Now box shadow I'm giving. Shadow level syntax clear or not, you can check it. Horizontal shadow, vertical shadow, blur, spread color, like that clear or not, you can check it once. Now I'm going. Simple, I'm removing all these are. Now I'm going there. Border level, these are existed. Border level, these are existed. Div. Width, 300 pixels. Height, 100 pixels. Background color, I'm giving red. Box shadow, box shadow, 5 pixels, and I'm giving, for example, like that I provided. Only div I provided. We'll check it. Something visible to you. Is it visible? Some light shadow? Yeah, light shadow visible to you. Box shadow more clearly means 15 pixels I'm giving. By default, outside it is coming. Inside, not red color. Light green I'm giving, or light gray. Observe, this is also I'm giving 20 pixels. Horizontal also 20 pixels. Observe now. Now border radius also you can add. Inset I'm giving. By default outset, no? I said inset. Observe inset. Something differently looking. Guys, come on. Any tag you can use. Div tag more comfort we are using. Now by default, not inset. By default, outset. Border radius also you want to add, you can add and check it something differently. Border radius, observe now. Inset you can add now. Come on, everyone. Border radius after observe now. By default, outside. By default, outside. Box shadow. So images are there or not, you can check it. Some border related images required here. Border.png is there, we'll see border related. Border image, observe now everybody. Check it. Border image source, border image slice, border image width, border image outset, border image repeat. Previously, border image level, these many properties we observed. Previously, border image level, these many properties we observed. First of all, border image concept is not there. In CSS2 level, border image concept is not there. Correct or not? Border image source what, border image slice what, border image outset what, we need to observe. At least one example, we'll try it at least. Now I'm giving here div level. What example I'm giving? Border 15 pixels, solid I'm providing, transparent. Transparent means what? Visibility, transparency. Width I'm giving 200 pixels. Padding I'm giving 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Padding I'm giving 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Up to there you are clear. I'm giving one selector like this. Any name you can write, round, not compulsory, okay? Anyone. What is the class name or ID name, that one? Class or ID? Border image. Already border available. Border.png in my system. I want now 30 width, 30 height. What is the class name here? What is the class name? Round is the class name. Class or ID? That is class or ID? ID. Very good. ID is equal to round. ID is equal to round. Hello. Image is like border. Image is like border. Observe now. Image is like border. Correctly observe. Image is like border. Now same class available here, I think. Stretch, and I'm giving stretch. Observe now. ID is equal to what I'm writing? Observe now, same image stretching. Same image stretching. Guys, two different properties I shown to you. Two different properties I shown to you. Using ID selector. One is round. I used again round. Then I made the same property. Right. ID is equal to what I said. Round. Stretch you can observe, round you can observe. First one stretch, second one round. Any difference is there or not, you can tell me. Come on, everyone. Yes, big difference is there. You need to observe the big difference correctly. Very good. Web fonts. Shall I go to more advanced level? More advanced level. No, no, no. Everybody saying no, my dears. Oh my God. Everybody saying no. Tomorrow, sir, too many examples today. Syed saying continue. Syed saying continue. Really, you are practicing? People are saying too many examples. Yeah, why some people are saying you can try to observe, try to understand? Somebody daily says this, sir, please continue. No, no, no. Already 27, 30 examples are there, Ratnakumari. Practicing these many examples, not a joke, I can understand, really. Because more examples giving, more confuse occurred. Okay, let me recall one by one. What I discussed with you today, I'll give you 10 minutes recall. Web fonts, I'll give in the next session level. Really, if you're practicing these many examples, minimum 3-4 hours, it will take, my dears. Minimum 3-4 hours. Come on. CSS 3 level, what is there? You can property, you can tell me. CSS 3 is the Advanced level. What is CSS3? You can tell me. Advanced cascading style sheets. Advanced cascading. CSS3 level, all features are divided into modules. Every module contains different kinds of features. Each module adds new capabilities or extends features defined in CSS2 over preserving backward compatibility. Different modules have different stability and statuses. CSS3 level 1 properties, some properties you need to understand. All these CSS3 properties are much compatible to Django and Bootstrap environment. Anybody you heard the name Bootstrap? Any of you guys heard the name Bootstrap? These are very comfortable to Bootstrap environment. These are very comfortable to Bootstrap environment. Yes, media queries level, different kinds of properties available. Media queries, media types. See these many properties: font face, opacity, RGBA, border radius, box shadows, text shadows, gradient, multiple background images, transforms. There are many available here. All these are simplified things and powerful things. Observe the properties features here. Yes, guys. So font face, all these properties available. These properties after no scripting I provided, scripting features I provided. Scripting level means what I said, conditions and logics possible. Here logics not possible. Background properties I provided. Practice seriously background size, background origin, background clip. Background size. And multiple background images. Observe here. Background origin property. CSS3 borders. CSS3 rounded borders. Round corners very important, including images, radius, shadow, all these things. Right, very good. Shadow property, CSS3 box shadow property. Border image property. Check it, you people only, border image. Clear everybody, border image property? Up to here, I'm giving to you notes. You can try to practice, guys. Definitely you are getting first one idea. CSS3 advanced level properties, you are getting much idea. In the next session level, I'll discuss with you newspaper related column properties, web font properties or user defined properties, customized level properties, text level properties. Some more I'll discuss. Important one I'm discussing with you. Within 1 or 2 days, we are moving to JavaScript because JavaScript is very important and bigger topic. So guys, you need to practice very well. First HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3, all these properties. Thank you, everyone. Practice CSS3 properties. CSS3 properties. After JS Bootstrap, first practice all these things. Thank you, everyone. Catch you tomorrow. Practice well. Be careful. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye. You have any question, please ping here. You have any question, please ping here. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye. First practice all these resources, then we'll see remaining things.